The cognitive process, that is the Chitta-Vritti, starts when sense objects impinge on their respective sense organs. The Visuddhimagga does not specify the time when the sense organs develop their capacity of apprehending the sense objects. The Paramartha Manjusa states that one sense organ do not apprehend sense objects when one is in the mother's womb or immediately after one's birth. The Mahavihar exegetes classify objects of the 5 doors into 4 groups, namely very great Ati Mahanta, great Mahanta, weak Paritta, and very weak Ati Paritta. One group of Theravadins accepted that matter, that is the Rupa, is weak at its moment of cognition or origination and at its moment of dissolution, but it is strong at the moment of duration. Hence, matter which has reached its moment of duration has the ability of impinging on the 5 doors. But another group of Theravadins objected to this acceptance. According to them, matter has ability of impinging on the sense doors even at its moment of origination. Theravada exegetes have differed from each other when they interpreted the composition of the 4 primary elements in 5 door sensitive organs. One group of Theravadins has accepted the arising of the 5 door sense organs with bhavanga, life continuum, but another authority introduced as others opere has maintained that they arise with the adverting consciousness avajjana. Elder Talak Gam Moolvasi Datha Nag was of the proponents of this view. According to some Theravadins, determining Bodhapana occurs twice or thrice, but others say that it occurs twice. Acharya Anand has objected to defining the weak object on the basis of arising determining Vatthapana twice or thrice. Reciters of the Madhyama Nikaya have accepted that registration tada rammana arises once or twice in a cognitive process, but the Abhidhamma commentary has rejected their view. According to the latter, it arises twice. It is stated that the Attasalani represents a wavering stage in between the Visuddhimagga and Sammoha Vinodini, and the Abhidhammat Sangaho when it refers to registration Tadarammana or Tadalamman stage. However, the Attasalani itself does not permit us to maintain such a view. When any one of the 6 additional objects enters into the range of mind, there starts the course of cognition at mind door, Manodwar Vithi. One cannot harbor in his mind any such object which is not known. Therefore, the stage's prior determination does not occur in this course of cognition. Thus, on appearance of this object, there occur 4 stages like Bhavanga, Chalana, Manodwara Avajjana, Javan and Tadalambana. The Manodwar Avajjana is another name of Vattapana of 5 doors of senses. It is at this stage the object is being determined. On appearance of an object, the smooth flow of the mind is vibrated, and therefore there arise Manodwar Avajjana, Javan and Tadalambana Chittas successively. The Bhavanga Chalana lasts for only one thought moment, Manodwar Avajjana for one thought moment, Javana for 7 thought moments, and Tadalambana for 2 thought moments. The full course of cognition takes 11 thought moments to complete itself. The Bhavanga Chalan is the preliminary since the Javana repeats itself for 7 times. The Tadalamban twice, therefore there are 10 times of arising of consciousness, Chittupada. After Tadalambana, there is the end of Bhavanga Pahat of the Bithi. With this, the object is fully known. There is the possibility of arising of 41 types of consciousness in it. There is also variation in understanding of the object at mind door. When the course of cognition Chittvithi survives up to Tadalambana, there is the full course of cognition, and thereby there is the perfect understanding of the object. Sometimes it survives only up to Javana stage, and there is no Tadalambana. In each case, the course of cognition is not complete, and the understanding of the object is not clear. This sort of variation is due to the type of objects appearing in the course of cognition. There are 2 forms of individual objects which appear at mind door. They are the clear Vibhuta and obscure Abhibhuta. If a clear additional object enters into the range of mind, the cognition starts to know it. It begins with the Bhavanga Chalana and continues up to the Tadalamban stage, completing the full course of cognition. In these circumstances, there is clear understanding. On the other hand, when an obscure additional object is revived through mind door, the course of cognition survives up to Javan stage. There is no arising of the Tadalambana. In this case, the understanding remains completely hazy.